Well, hello there. How is everybody doing today? What is the one thing that you absolutely need for engagement on Facebook? Well, yes, you need an audience, of course. And yes, you need to provide that audience with a reason to engage, okay? But I've seen people with amazing content and they're not getting any engagement. And that's pretty sad to me because the content that they're putting out there, people could really use that content and it could really be helpful. But the problem is Facebook isn't showing this content to people. So how can it help people if they're not even seeing the content, right? There is one thing that you can do that will get Facebook to start showing your posts to a lot more people on a consistent basis. Okay, and I'm not talking about one post that you drop. I'm talking about all your posts, even if you drop a product post. Okay, so what is that one thing? It's having an engagement foundation. All right. Similar to how attraction marketing works, once you've built up that know, like, trust, you can pretty much take a break from your efforts and your post will start working on autopilot. Okay. Driving in leads and sales on a consistent basis. But part of that equation is engagement. And once you've built up an engagement foundation, you can take a break from your engagement efforts, okay? And your post will still get in a decent amount of engagement. But you got to get to that point, okay? So what is this engagement foundation and how do you get to that point? Well, like anything else, you need a strategy and you need to establish a routine, okay? So come join me on August 10th through the 12th, where I'm going to be hosting a free 3-day Crush Your Facebook Engagement Workshop. And I'm going to go over why engagement is so important for your social media success, what the 3 biggest mistakes are that people make when it comes to engagement, and how I went from 2 to 4 likes and comments on my posts to hundreds in days. Okay? So you'll see a link below, whether it's a Facebook post, maybe a YouTube video you're watching, or an email that I've sent you. Wherever you're watching this video, you'll see a link below to the workshop, okay? So you can get registered right now. But you want to hurry. The workshop starts this Tuesday, the 10th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you want to blow up your engagement and turn your posts into sales machines, come join us, okay? Click the link below.